Real quick, I am getting ready to patch out this car. So this is what it looks like. Right? Well, this I patched out already. The number, it's just the NS and the number. But I wanted to get rid of the NS. So I sanded it. And what I use to sand it are these sanding sponges. And they come in this little sponge and they're really nice. I cut a little corner off, put it on a tweezer. For the most part of it, I used the sponge the way it is, and then I got to this end here and used it on the tweezer. So let me show you. Works pretty fast to get through this. And what's nice about the sponge is this that edge, right? You can use that edge to your advantage to ride this edge here, right? It's good for getting up into tight spots, right? So that edge is gone. Now I'll work on this part, the top part of the edge. For the most part, it's gone. I'll switch around to get fresher paper. But you can, you can kind of see how you can get that edge of the paper to contact with that edge of your body line, and then. Sorry, sometimes I don't put things in frame when I'm working like this, because you have to remember the camera's like right here, right in front of me, and it's kind of blocking my work, and I can't see what I'm doing, you know? So like right there, like I'm looking here, and this is where I should be. I could put an X down here, but I always move the camera around, so it's never like in the same spot because it's on this pivot overhead. And that works really good. And you can kind of see where, you know, it gets rid of it really easy. And then with that little piece, right, I'll go in. I really can't do it. Like, I'm looking through my camera, and it's really hard. Okay, I had to look and see how much of that other part I did away with. That's a cool thing about these little sponges. You can cut off little pieces, right? And they're easier to work with. They come in all different grits. I got these from that seller on eBay. I forget their name again. Green something. That's where I've been getting all this stuff lately on my different things. Tools. That's where I got my tufts from. And I'll just work this and continue to work it. You don't need to see me do that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you real quick about these little sanding sponges, and this turned into a 6-minute video. But like I said, they come in all different grits. I have 280, 180, and that's about it. And they come finer too. I think the coarsest they come is 180. And they're pretty strong. They're pretty, like, even though there's stuff here, there's still a lot of grit left. So I don't imagine that these will wear off as much as like these sanding sticks will. These sanding sticks don't last. Not at all. But they're cheap, but they don't last. So are these. These were, I think, $1.80 for a pack of, I don't know what's in here, 6, something like that. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 pads. And there's a lot of sanding on there. Depends what you're doing. All right, check them out. I'll put a link to their eBay store in this video, and yeah, I'm gonna patch this car out for BCJX.